Hello everyone. In this session we'll see another question on Cauchy's integral formula. It says evaluate I is equal to e to the power of 2z by z to the power 4 dz for curve given as mod z equal to 1. So this is nothing but a circle with center at origin and radius equal to 1. Right? How to solve this? Let's see this. So what we have is e to the power of 2z by z to the power of 4. Can we see this as e to the power of 2z by z minus 0 to the power of 4? And can we say this is nothing but f of z by z minus z naught to the power of 4? Now from the nth derivative option we have nth derivative at z naught is given as n factorial by 2 pi I integration f of z by z minus z naught to the power of 4 dz. Try to compare these two terms, this one, the entire numerator and denominator, and this one, right? So we'll see. Okay, I have written it 4. It should be n plus 1. This is n plus 1. So we can compare this e to the power 2z by z minus 0 to the power 4 as f of z by z minus z naught to the power of 3 plus 1. So this means this expression, or I'll say the integration of e to the power of 2z by z to the power 4 dz c will be equal to, as per this, 2 pi I f. So it is going to be third derivative. It is 3 plus 1. 4 is equal to 3 plus 1. Third derivative of z, or I'll say z naught, divided by n factorial, or I'll say directly 3 factorial here. We know this n is equal to 3. Fine. So we have to find the third derivative and then we have to put z equal to 0. Z equal to 0, right? We can compare the coefficient and see that z equal to 0, and of course this lies within C. C is a circle of radius 1 centered at origin. So we'll have to find the third derivative of f of z. For f of z equal to e to the power of 2z, can you see that the third derivative can be directly found as 2 to the power of 3 e to the power of 2z, because e to the power z or 2z will keep on differentiating and this 2 factor will keep on coming for 3 times. So it is going to be 2 to the power 3 of into e to the power 2z. So this integration which we are looking for is going to be 2 pi I, 3 factorial is equal to 6, into 8 into 2 to the power of z equal to 0. So I'll multiply it with 0, which will become 1. So finally this is going to be 8 pi I by 3, right? 2 and 6 will be cancelled. So this is going to be the answer for this case. So this was a case of Cauchy's integral formula for the third derivative.